This is Bogazici University Conference, Information Resources Management. And yeah, let's go. Thank you.
Yeah.
You study here?
Yeah. I'm in management information department.
Nice.
From this way. This is first building of our university. It is a girl dormitory, and it is İktisadi İdari Bilimler Fakültesi, which means business faculty. We can say. There are economics and business classes in here, and it is very old too. From this way, it is one of the best views of Bosphorus. This is the narrowest part of the Bosphorus Strait, and you can see both castles or both citadels from there.
There's people studying here.
Citadel. I don't know if I am saying it right. This part is Rumeli Citadel. And in the further across there are what can I say? I forgot his name.
It's a touristic places.
Yeah, generally touristic places in this area.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Ismail.
Nice to meet you, Ismail. My Oscar.
Oh, nice to meet you too.
Just making short videos. Thanks, amazing. I will just make my own way, just not to take your time. I wish you good luck today.
Thank you. Actually, it's the best view in Turkey, I guess. There are a lot of pretty places in Turkey, but I love this place so much. Yeah.
Record. So this is. I should have. Can I start the record from? Conference will start soon. Bogazici University выход. Go inside ferry to Ortaköy. I'll take it.